Welcome to another deep dive. Today we're plunging into a topic that, well, might seem purely operational on the surface, but it's actually unleashing some massive growth potential for businesses. We're talking about field service management FSM, and specifically the game-changing power of automation within it. Our mission today, pretty clear. We want to explore how organizations are moving beyond data sync, how they're turning FSM integration into real, measurable business growth. We'll be pulling insights from a pretty comprehensive white paper. It's titled The Future of FSM, Real-Time Automation for Growth. Our goal is to give you, our listener, a kind of shortcut to understanding just how critical automation is becoming here. Think of it this way. We'll uncover how automation isn't just about, cutting costs. It's truly redefining field service ops, helping teams work smarter, getting rid of that soul-crushing manual effort, and letting businesses scale efficiently without breaking a sweat. We'll focus on three key areas where automation really delivers: intelligent scheduling, dynamic reporting, and seamless real-time communication. So what's driving all this urgency? Well, you already know it, right? Customers today, they expect lightning-fast service, zero delays, frictionless digital experiences. Meanwhile, businesses, they're grappling with rising operational costs, shrinking margins, and workforce constraints. It's tough out there. In this environment, automation, it's really not a luxury anymore. It's fundamental to how successful businesses are going to operate.
Absolutely. And what's truly fascinating here, I think, is that this isn't merely about automating, individual tasks or just shaving off some admin time. We're really talking about building a responsive, scalable, and intelligent operating model, one that actually empowers teams, minimizes human error, and unlocks new levels of profitability. It's about orchestrating all that complexity that's inherent in field operations, but doing it in real time, turning what used to be, frankly, a reactive firefighting exercise into something proactive, even strategic.
Okay, let's unpack those pressures then. The source material makes it clear field service operations are under immense strain. What are these pressures exactly, and why are the old ways, the traditional methods, just not cutting it anymore?
Well, the demands are hitting from all sides, really. It's creating a bit of a perfect storm for those traditional approaches. First off, customer expectations. They've fundamentally shifted. We all live in this on-demand world, right? So people now expect real-time updates, instant problem resolution, seamless digital experiences from the moment they log a request right through to job completion. What used to be sort of acceptable delays, now they're often deal breakers. They impact loyalty.
Right, impatience is the new norm.
Exactly. Then you've got the operational demands. Leaders are constantly being asked to do more with less, reduce overhead, maximize every technician's productivity, speed up cash flow, all while maintaining or even improving service quality. It's a real tightrope walk.
More with less. The classic challenge.
It is. And when you try to meet these pressures using outdated manual methods, think paper reports, scheduling over the phone, maybe some disconnected spreadsheets, it just becomes unsustainable fast. Imagine trying to manage, say, dozens, maybe hundreds of mobile technicians with clipboards. It's inefficient, it's incredibly error-prone, and it simply cannot keep pace today.
So it's way beyond just needing a digital Band-Aid. This sounds like a fundamental strategic shift in how you even think about field service.
Precisely. It's about embedding automation deep into the very fabric of field operations. Moving beyond just, simple data synchronization, which only copies information around, to truly intelligent workflows that act on data. Platforms built for this, like Dusk FSM is one example. They're creating these smart workflows that adapt. They adapt to job status, customer inputs, real-time changes out in the field. So maybe that means automatically rescheduling a technician the second a job gets postponed, or instantly syncing field updates right into your accounting system when a job wraps up. This isn't just efficiency anymore. It's transforming every single part of the field service lifecycle.
That's a powerful vision for how things should work, definitely. But let's get into the nuts and bolts a bit. The white paper highlights a whole range of automation capabilities, things that go way beyond simple reminders. Can you walk us through some of the most impactful tools making this shift happen?
Certainly. Yeah, modern FSM platforms, they're less about just managing tasks and more about managing outcomes. And these tools, they provide a big, dramatic leap, really, in effectiveness. Let's start with intelligent scheduling and dispatching, okay? Forget static calendars or just assigning based on gut feel. Automation here means you've got an AI-driven engine. It analyzes technician availability, their current location, the specific skills needed for a job, the job's priority, and it makes optimal assignments in real time. This isn't just filling slots on a board. It significantly improves first-time fix rates getting it right the first time. It drastically cuts down travel time between jobs. And it makes sure you're using your most valuable asset, your skilled people, as efficiently as possible.
So the system does the complex matching automatically.
Exactly. For instance, an AI engine can automatically adjust workloads on the fly if a job finishes early or gets canceled or runs into delays. It ensures no time is wasted and resources get redeployed proactively.
That sounds like a dispatcher's dream.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the actual workflow, on the ground?
Right. That's where workflow automation with configurable recipes and stage builders comes into play. Think of recipes as like pre-configured automation blueprints for common workflows. You can activate them for things like automatically creating a job when a lead converts in your CRM, or instantly sending a customer an automated message with their text ETA, or maybe an alert for low inventory triggering a purchase order. They're kind of ready-to-go playbooks.
Okay, pre-built makes sense for common stuff.
Yeah. And then you have stage builders. These are more flexible frameworks. They let operations leaders custom design intelligent job flows based on real-time job status or customer actions or updates from the field technician. So, for example, if a customer postpones a service call, a stage builder automation could instantly notify the technician, update their schedule, maybe even offer them another nearby job automatically.
So it handles exceptions intelligently.
Exactly. Or when a job status flips to completed, a recipe could automatically trigger follow-up tasks. Send a satisfaction survey, create the invoice, update the parts inventory. It's all about building processes that respond dynamically to what's actually happening right now.
Okay. What else?
Another really essential capability is real-time field data capture. This gets us away from paper forms, finally, and all that manual data entry afterwards. Mobile FSM systems let technicians submit detailed job notes, attach photos, collect digital signatures, log the parts they used, complete checklists, all directly from their phone or tablet out in the field. And this data isn't just for record keeping. It automatically populates reports, yes, but crucially, it triggers those downstream workflows we just talked about, like invoicing or warranty claims, all without anyone in the back office having to touch it.
That real-time flow sounds incredibly powerful, from the field right through to the back office.
It is, and it ties directly into automated inventory and parts management. Instead of manual counts and reconciliation leading to stockouts or errors, parts used on a job are immediately deducted from stock in the system. This can trigger alerts for low quantities, kick off procurement workflows before you run out of something critical. It drastically cuts down job delays caused by missing parts and improves visibility across your whole supply chain.
Okay, inventory sorted. What about the money side, getting paid?
Absolutely critical. That's integrated financial automation. So once a job is complete, maybe approved, FSM automation tools seamlessly push all the relevant data labor hours, parts used, job notes, whatever's needed straight into your accounting system, like QuickBooks Online, for instance. This enables automatic invoice generation. It's huge. It eliminates double entry, which saves time and reduces errors. It significantly speeds up your billing cycle, and it tightens that whole quote-to-cash cycle, meaning you get paid faster. Better cash flow, which is always good news.
Yeah, definitely good news.
And finally, maybe the most visible piece for your customers: enhanced customer communication and experience. Intelligent FSM tools can handle automated job confirmations, send timely reminders, provide real-time technician ETAs right to the customer's phone, send job completion notifications, even follow up with satisfaction surveys, all automated. This builds transparency, fosters trust, and turns every service interaction into a much more positive branded experience.
Okay, so we talked about the tools, a lot of capability there. But what does this all actually mean for delivering service on the ground? How does this automation directly improve things for the field team and, maybe more importantly, for the customer?
Yeah, that's the core question, isn't it? Where the rubber meets the road. Automation isn't just a back office thing, it's a frontline accelerator. It ensures jobs get done with more speed, accuracy, and consistency. So firstly, you get faster job response and scheduling. Imagine a job request comes in. Automation just eliminates all that manual back and forth, the scheduling lag. It automatically matches that job with the best available technician based on skills, proximity, current workload, job urgency, instantly. For customers, this means much quicker technician arrivals, less waiting around. For your teams, fewer bottlenecks, more completed jobs each day without necessarily adding more stress.
Less waiting, more doing.
Secondly, it leads to reduced human error and costly rework. Let's face it, manual coordination is prone to mistakes. Misread addresses, forgotten parts, incomplete paperwork, double bookings. It happens. With automation, checklists and forms are auto-generated, sent right to the tech's mobile. They get standardized workflows,
Wow.
real-time status updates, minimize miscommunication. All this dramatically increases the chance of getting it right the first time, which saves significant time and money avoiding those repeat visits.
Right. Avoiding rework is huge.
Huge. Thirdly, you gain real-time job visibility and control. Field service leaders, managers, they get an immediate dashboard-level view. They can see job status, technician locations, availability, service history, potential bottlenecks, all in real time. This empowers managers to be proactive, to intervene if needed, reprioritize urgent stuff, provide accurate updates to customers without playing endless phone tag. It's like having a command center for your whole operation.
So better oversight, better decisions.
Exactly. And maybe most crucially, automation creates end-to-end workflow continuity. It builds this continuous, seamless engine. From the moment a job is created, through the field execution, right into your financial systems, it all connects. When a technician marks a job done on their device, it automatically triggers customer follow-ups, signals accounting to create the invoice, tells inventory about parts used, feeds your reporting dashboards with updated KPIs. This deep interconnectedness reduces delays at every step, ensures accountability, and keeps the whole service operation moving smoothly, like a well-oiled machine.
Okay, that paints a pretty compelling picture of the present. But it sounds like we're really just scratching the surface. Given all these advancements, where is this heading? What does the white paper suggest about the future of field service automation?
Yeah, if we connect this to the bigger picture, automation isn't just a trend, it's a trajectory, a fundamental direction of travel. The convergence of AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, advanced workflow orchestration. It's redefining what's even possible. The future is definitely moving towards predictive and proactive operations. This means acting before a problem happens. Imagine machine learning analyzing real-time data from connected equipment, anticipating service needs, triggering preventive maintenance before a failure occurs, dynamically allocating resources based on forecasted job volumes, not just historical averages.
So fixing things before they break.
Exactly. The deeper insight there isn't just preventing breakdowns, though. It's about shifting the whole customer relationship from being a reactive problem solver to becoming a proactive, trusted advisor. That changes the value proposition entirely. Think about automatically scheduling a tech with the right part for a critical machine that's predicted to fail in 2 days before the customer even knows there's an issue. That's powerful.
Very powerful. What else?
We'll also see a big rise in zero-touch workflows. These are fully autonomous processes, like job routing that needs no dispatcher intervention at all, or technician notifications triggered automatically by customer actions online. The real insight here isn't just about cutting out human steps, it's about freeing up your people. Letting them focus on the truly complex, the empathetic, the strategic problems that automation can't solve, it elevates the whole workforce.
Interesting angle. Freeing up human potential.
Right. And field operations don't exist in a bubble, so another key area is unified automation across all your systems. Future FSM tools will integrate even more deeply with CRM, ERP, customer experience platforms, everything. This creates seamless handoffs, say, from sales to service. It allows comprehensive cost tracking, more accurate revenue forecasting, and really personalized communication. No more data silos. One trigger in one system cascades intelligently across the whole business.
Total integration.
That's the goal. Furthermore, tomorrow's systems won't just automate, they'll advise. We'll see embedded AI for smarter decisions. Expect AI providing recommendations to technicians based on past performance data, offering highly accurate parts forecasting, even suggesting relevant upsells based on the service outcome. It's really about augmenting human capabilities, making everyone smarter, not replacing them.
Augmenting, not replacing. Key distinction.
The very key. And perhaps the biggest shift underpinning all this is real-time status-based automation everywhere. This is a huge move away from simple time-based or scheduled actions towards context-based intelligence. Actions get triggered dynamically by what's actually happening in the field. If a customer cancels, the system reassigns the tech in seconds. If a critical part isn't available, the job gets paused automatically, inventory is notified. If a job runs unexpectedly long, the system automatically updates the ETA for the next customer on that technician's route. These flows respond dynamically, intelligently, often without any human oversight needed.
That's a truly visionary perspective.
Yeah.
Very dynamic, very responsive. Now, we've mentioned Dusk FSM a few times as an example platform. How does a system like that specifically enable this kind of scalable, intelligent automation we've been discussing? How does it make it practical?
Yeah, that's an important point, making it practical. Dusk FSM is highlighted in the source material as a platform really designed for the realities of mobile field service teams. It embodies these principles. It enables true, scalable automation across workflows, but importantly, without the kind of complexity you often get with huge traditional enterprise systems. For example, its core strength is being built for mobile, built for speed. Field work happens on the move, right? So Dusk FSM is fully mobile first. Teams can view, update job details, submit photos, notes, signatures, get Insta alerts, sync data, all right from their device in the field. This means faster decisions, more informed technicians, right where the work actually happens.
Makes sense. Mobile is key.
Absolutely. And to enable those dynamic workflows we talked about, it offers its recipe library and stage builders. These let businesses quickly deploy those pre-built automation templates for common tasks, or if needed, custom design really intricate multi-step workflows based on real-time job status changes. That kind of flexibility is crucial for adapting to the unpredictable nature of field service.
So adaptable and practical.
Right. And ultimately, the platform, like others designed this way, aims to deliver value where it counts. Customers using these kinds of solutions consistently report measurable impacts: significantly faster dispatch and response times, drastically reduce admin effort freeing up people, improved cash flow because invoices go out faster, and much higher customer satisfaction because of that transparent real-time communication. It's about taking these advanced concepts and making them a practical reality for businesses.
Okay. So wrapping things up, it's abundantly clear the field service industry is changing fast. What once relied on, whiteboards and phone calls now demands real-time responsiveness, intelligent automation.
Precisely. Field service automation. It's no longer just a nice strategic advantage, it's rapidly becoming the baseline, the table stakes for competitive operations. It empowers businesses not just to cut costs and inefficiencies, but to consistently deliver high-quality service and do it at scale. With platforms embracing this vision, like Dusk FSM, it's genuinely about transforming your business, moving from reactive to proactive, from fragmented silos to fully connected, from high effort, low return to high impact.
So for you, our listener, reflecting on all this, the key takeaways from our deep dive today seem pretty clear. First, maybe start by identifying your biggest friction points. Where are the biggest headaches in your current field service operations? Where are you wasting the most time and effort? Second, look seriously at automating those core processes, things like scheduling, invoicing, and definitely those crucial customer communications. Low-hanging fruit often exists there. And finally, explore how these intelligent, status-based platforms could unlock truly scalable, real-time operations for your team, moving you beyond just syncing data towards genuine workflow orchestration.
Yeah, the future of field service is definitely automated, it's intelligent, it's mobile, and really it's already here. The question is no longer if you should automate, it's more about how soon you can start making that fundamental shift.
A powerful thought, maybe, to leave you with. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, the businesses that truly win in field service, they won't necessarily be the ones that just do the most. They will undoubtedly be the ones that do it smarter. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into field service automation. We hope you're feeling well-informed, maybe even a little inspired to think differently about how efficiency can drive growth in your own world. Until next time, keep digging deeper.